Hey there, Connor Wahlberg here. I wanted to share a quick piece of advice about building backlinks to your photography website. So, backlinks are very misunderstood. I think a lot of people can't get their minds around this, and probably because it's not explained in a great way. So, first off, what is a backlink? A backlink is when a website links to your website. So let's say you are a senior portrait photographer and you work with the Chamber of Commerce in your town. They will put a link on their site that says this is a senior portrait photographer that I work with. So the most important part of a backlink is to get them from credible sources that are related to what you do. So your backlinks should be coming from other websites that are connected to photography or what you do. Because if it's not, Google doesn't give it as much value. Now, if you get backlinks from credible sources, like a local news station, things like that, that's also incredibly powerful. So we want good backlinks to our site. Good means quality. Quality means Google sees the site as important, helpful. Generally, when you go to a website, you can get a feel for this right away. You can say, this site is garbage. I don't trust it. And if that's the case, then that link is probably not useful at all to your website. Now, if you go to a site and you're like, wow, this is really great, there's a lot of good information, and then they put a link to your website, that's great for you because that site is a quality site, especially if it's relevant and on the right subject matter, and the text that links to you is the right text that talks about your site in the right way. There's all kinds of factors to this, but generally we just want to get good quality backlinks to our site. Now, this is the one thing that I would say will matter the most, will qualify a backlink as the best. If you get a backlink where people are actually clicking it and going to your site, right? Like it's useful to people on that other website and they click through, that is a great backlink. If it is going to be something people will actually click, that is a great backlink. If it's just there and nobody will ever click it, that's not nearly as powerful. And Google can see when people click these links and navigate to your website. So when we focus on building backlinks, we want to focus on quality. We want to reach out to websites that are related to what we do, that we trust, that we like, and that ideally will send actual visitors to our website. So we're not just doing an SEO play here. We want to get visitors to our website, and that's when we know a link is really exceptional. So go ahead, start talking to people. That's the key component of link building is outreach, talking to people, connecting with people. Think of people you already know, businesses you already know and trust and work with, and start working with them to build backlinks to your site by either providing them great content, providing them a quote they can put on their site, whatever it is that they get something from it too. I hope you find this helpful. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click subscribe below. And that's it for today.